Hi, this is Avinash here. I'm talking on behalf of my father, K. Venugopal, who underwent surgery here at Aster CMI Hospital. So we were referred to Aster by a very renowned heart surgeon from Bangalore, and my dad was diagnosed with aortic stenosis, and he's also a Alkaptonuria patient and also underwent multiple hip and knee joint replacement surgeries. So his case was not straightforward, which is why we were referred to Aster CMI Hospital in Bangalore, and we met Dr. Arul Furtado, and to talk about the experience, more than experience, it's been a journey of 8 to 9 days, right from the day of consultation all the way till the discharge and the post surgery follow up. So it's been a very seamless journey. The team of doctors led by Dr. Arul, Mr. Ganesh Krishnan Iyer, and also Mr. Prashanth, they are very specialized to handle very complex cases. As I said, my dad's case was not a very straightforward case, so they handled the case with the utmost care. They took personal interest in this case, and that the team of doctors, the nurses, the ICU staff, the OT staff, everybody were very cooperative and very supportive and helpful right through this journey. I'd like to thank the Aster Hospital for this wonderful experience and giving a new life to my father. And special thanks to Miss Vani as well, who is the coordinator of Dr. Arul. She has been with us right through this journey, and she has been very supportive, and she made sure that this journey was very seamless. Thank you.